My neighbors and I have big trees that constantly drop debris into my gutters, and not just in the fall. Because of the mix of tree species, I need to clean the gutters at least 3 times a year. Hiring people that often is not a thing. I also don't want to get on a ladder, so I came up with this method which works great. I got this nicely made aluminum extension pole for cleaning windows and dusting cobwebs out of my cathedral ceilings. It's simple to attach a squeegee, a window cleaning pad, or a soft brush for removing cobwebs. This extension pole has 2 types of standard universal attachment points, but I just couldn't seem to find the right tool for cleaning gutters by searching on things like gutter cleaning tool. What I did find, though, was this brush that's designed for cleaning the tops of pipes in factories or warehouses. It easily screws on to the end of my extension pole and turns out to be great at gutter cleaning. The shape of the brush allows it to just hang on the edge of the gutter if you want to rest your arms or need to do something else for a bit. You can easily just flip the leaves out of the gutter or drag the brush through the gutter to collect a bunch of leaves. Twisting your wrists is an effective way to flip the debris over the side. Gutters typically have a support hanger about every 6 feet, so you can work your way up to each one on each side, like right here. Depending on how your gutters are made, you might be able to see those support locations from the side. This gutter cleaning method works both on long straight runs of gutters and on inside corners with no problem. In this location, I'm having to extend my arms too far, so I need to make the pole a little bit longer. I can easily extend it out a bit by twisting these handles, extending the top portion of the pole a bit, and then tightening. You want to be careful near downspout locations not to shove the leaves down into the opening. In my case, I have downspout strainers installed, so I just try to sweep the leaves away from the strainer and over the side. Because the brush screws on, it may loosen up when you push against one of the gutter hangers. So you may need to tighten the brush occasionally as you work through the project. Here I'm using that twisting the wrist method to flip those leaves out of the way. I have the 16-foot version of this lightweight aluminum extension pole. They make choices from 13 feet up to 30 feet. I'm going to link the 18-foot version in the show notes because that's the one that should be long enough to do second-story gutters unless you have exceptionally tall ceilings or have to stand on a hillside. I'll also include a link to the gutter cleaning brush since you can't find it by searching on gutter cleaning attachment. Stay safe and stay off those ladders. Thanks for watching.